Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? Welcome back to the Blessed Review. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now today, man, we got Prophet Passion, son. You know, Prophet Passion always got a way in, man. You know, whenever ZANU-PF is attacked, ED is attacked, man, Prophet Passion always has this urge to just jump in, man, and give his 2 cents. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what's that got to do with you, Passion, man? So today, man, we're Prophet Passion jumping in, man, attacking Winky D, rather, over his remarks or sentiments he shared during his Ghettocracy Concert on the 31st of December. Vashaka part 2, you know, where he attacks ED, he attacks Holy 10, you know what I'm saying? Rather just swipes at them, really. So Prophet Passion is coming in, man, wanting to say a little bit about what he feels. You know what I'm saying? Passion, what you looking for, son? You want to be the next ambassador of Zimbabwe, son? You want another mine, son? You want another farm, son? I mean, really, I mean, let's keep it real. What's up with you and defending ZANU-PF every opportunity you get, man? I think you're eyeing that ambassador seat, son. Anyway, let's hear what the prophet has to say with regards to Winky D's sentiments, man. My name is Bless. Remember to share, like, subscribe.
Tishana sopuku. Don't not to mislead my youth. Guys, my youth manofana kuzia kuti chinja kosha senza ite mari. Senza use mari muhomwe wakanyarara. President ED wakavhura musuwe kuti you can have your own gold claim, you can mine anytime, you can have your own farm, you can farm anytime. There are many opportunities that God opened in Zimbabwe. But uyu mfana uyu anoti ari one. Wakuru vakugona basa. Unozanzwa wakuru waiwai nende politburo yekuzanziya. Inogara pasi ichisa zvinhu in place. My roads to Kumona, Zimbabwe, my airports, progress, not only Zimbabwe. Mnozati Chamisa Garoa, free and fair election, President ED. Akadomanya day and my court, Akashaka Zungona, Zunga good and Mesa Sense. Chamisa Gado to Sada, do you know that Muganda Sada, chairman, way, Rogat's gonna marry the President ED. Kana mati makabiro chene munovunza president chairman wacho weSADC anowani president ED. Guys, musashore zvaiswa naMwari. Zimbabwe takapiwa mutungamiriri anonzi president ED naMwari. Ukaona uchirwisa zvinhu zvadiwa naMwari une dhimoni, fana ane madhimoni. Ndokunonzi kumisleader mayouth musafe makafighter power mubhaibheri chaimo. Pano wakada kurwisa power makanyura ndopandida question apana anonga achinoimba pamarali awinga asi magiga marali munoona kuti nozara kwete kuti mukomana ari kudiwa newa one we trip siwa anenge wapiwa matickets achipindawo back door yakwa anenge watopiwa vanhu 4000 matickets kudhara umwe 500 mozongoyo mobhadharawo mobatanidzirwa marali aya. Saka mukomana Winky anofana kugara buda pachena kuti nini ndakuita politics. Because you can't say I'm a musician when you are going past stage uchinoimba politics and stuff like that. That's misleading people. Azvirambidzo kuva a politician. Akabuda pachena ndiri Urukunzwe. Saka ndokunyebera vapresident ED vava vari kuita zvinhu zvakanaka. Mukatarisa mamillionaires akafanana nana Philip Chiyangwa vaya vafanana nana Java tinotoonawo. Iwo usina kana sende zvako wapfeka bhero paya kuti zviite mukoma neboxing wabuda uchiti aiwa vari kutadza ita musha.